Hello, I am Andrew, and today I am going to talk about football. So, watch and listen. Right now, the time is 7 in the evening. And today is Tuesday. Outside, the weather is okay. It is cloudy today. So, today I am going to talk about football. Football is a very popular sport. Football is a sport. Basketball is a sport. Baseball, American football, golf are all sports. Football is a very popular sport. It is played everywhere, all over the world. It is played in Europe, it is played in Asia, in Africa, in South America, in North America, and everywhere else. And football is very popular in the UK, yes. So, let's start by drawing the pitch. So, this is a football pitch. This is a football pitch. These are the goal lines, and these are called the touch lines. Touch lines, goal lines. This is the halfway line, and this is the center circle. Square, circle. Triangle, square, circle. Center, circle. These are the corners, and in the corners there are 4 flags. Four flags. So in each corner there is a flag. Interesting. This is the box. This is a box, and this is a box. And look, there are 2. The smaller box is called the 6-yard box. What is a yard? Look, 1 yard is a measure of distance. 1 yard, 1 meter. So 1 yard, 1 meter. So the smaller boxes are called the 6-yard boxes, and the bigger boxes are called the 18-yard boxes. 18-yard boxes, or just box. Because from the goal line to here is 6 yards. And from the goal line to here is 18 yards. Okay. And these are, of course, the goals. Okay, so this is the football pitch. And look, beside the football pitch, where the players sit, the substitutes. So 11 players start the game and 3 more players can come on to substitute the starting players. The substitutes sit on the bench. And the manager, the boss, he also sits on the bench, yes, sometimes. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.